Hello YouTube! Today we look at SkyReels, your all-in-one AI studio that harnesses leading models, specialized templates and agents, and a full suite of creative tools, all on a single intuitive drag-and-drop canvas. Let's go in! So first you go on SkyReels.ai. Here you have an overview about the tool. You have a ton of features here like generate a video, generate an image, generate a talking video, music, text-to-speech, AI sound effects, and so much more. There is also a super agent we'll cover in a minute. Let's get right into it. Generate a video, click on it. Now we want to describe our prompt here. We can also enhance the prompt here. We can choose different models here like View 3.1, Sora 2 and so much more. Let's take View 3.1 here. We can choose the ratio, we can choose the resolution and the length. We just hit generate. In less than a minute he created this video here. Let's look at it.
How's the prep for the banquet going?
Almost done with these carrots, chef.
It's crazy how good this one is. Wow. We can now click on the video, we can add it to chat, we can regenerate it, download it. Let's try regenerate. And again, he's done. And as you can see, we are in the endless canvas here. We can drag and drop things, we can move things here around. Very easy, very intuitive. We could also change the style, extend, upscale the thing.
Are these vegetables fresh enough for the new soup?
Absolutely, they look perfect.
Yeah.
Just awesome. We also resolved the video to a 3D animation. Let's look at it.
You are getting quite fast with those carrots, aren't you?
I've been practicing the technique you showed me. It really helped with the speed.
I can see that. Keep it up.
It's crazy how accurate this thing is. The lip sync, the voice, it's crazy how good this is. Next we look at the feature generate image. We have different options here. We can describe your image here. We want a woman on a skateboard on a coast beach road at Miami. We can choose a model here like Nano Banana, Sea Dream 4.0 and so much more. Let's take Sea Dream. We want a 2K resolution. And we want a realistic style. And here we go, we got our images here. Exactly that we wanted. Very nice. All pictures are very accurate, very nice. Let's take this one here, add it to the chat. And now we are at the super agent feature here. We just prompt what we want. Create a video about the woman on the skateboard. Hit enter. Super Agent is your all-in-one creative assistant. Whether you upload an image, audio or video, simply hit chat to seamlessly connect with the Super Agent. It's your on-demand creative partner, available anytime, anywhere. Behind it are 28 expert agents like a logo designer, image resizer, experts for all use cases you need. Now he analyzed the image and trying to generate the video out of it. And now he's asking us if the modification or the generation is accurate. He has a plan here. He's focusing on the skateboarding action, maintaining the cinematic golden hour aesthetic. The duration will be 5 to 10 seconds of a smooth skateboarding. That's fine. We hit confirm. The Super Agent really asks us if the modification or the further generation is accurate. We can adjust things here if the prompt is not accurate enough. Very easy, very intuitive. Also the canvas principle is very nice. As you can see on the left, he's now generating the video for us. And now it's ready, let's look at it. It can't be better. It's a very realistic, no deformation, high quality video. Everything generated with SkyReels here. Great. Another example with the Super Agent. We had this image here of a red lipstick. We just drag and dropped it from our Windows Explorer here. And we entered the prompt, make it a green lipstick. He's generated the image here. He only make it green on the top here. So we entered the prompt, make it also red on the bottom of the lipstick in green. He did it exactly. And then we took the image here, we said template, and now we can make a product avatar video here, ready to use for TikTok, Instagram. Just hit generate. We took the model here, we added a product image and a little prompt, and the result is astonishing. As you can see here, the video is ready, and if we hit play,
buy this green lipstick which fits perfectly to St. Patrick's Day.
It's crazy. He took our green lipstick of the image and placed it accurate in the video. Also the avatar, the lip sync, the voice. Very easy, very nice. Awesome. There are a ton of templates you can use, like an outfit showcase, product motion, so much things here. In this example we tried the product demo video template. He's asking us to upload a product image. We uploaded a headset here. We want to create a product demo video for a wireless headset, highlighting the tech innovation and premium quality. He asked us what target audience we want. We want tech enthusiasts, what motions of the convoy should be. We want the premium quality, reliability, and specific scenarios like an office and remote work, gaming. He's generating a full storyboard here with different shots here. As we can see, he created the pictures accurate, he created videos, he created also a soundtrack for it. Very nice. Then we said we want the 3 pictures. And at the end, this is the video. Let's look at it. It's crazy how easy this was. We just uploaded the image, we entered a little prompt about a product ad, and he generated a whole product ad video for us. Very nice, very easy, amazing. Next we look at the talking video feature. We have a single and a multi feature here. Let's upload a single avatar image. So we have this skateboarder here. We have this text to speech, once upon a time. We can choose the voice here. Let's see.
Once upon a time.
Let's take him. We could also upload the audio for it. And we can also control the camera movement here. There are so many to choose from. Let's take the first one, push in, and we hit generate. And here we go. Let's look at it.
Once upon a time, there was a man on a snowboard. He cruised down a slope. Then he fell off the snowboard. This was me.
It's great. SkyReels does this so easy, like magic. But the most amazing thing here is the multi feature here. So we're uploading an image of 2 characters here. He's now detecting the faces. He automatically recognizes the faces. We just click on it. 1, 2. We have 2 characters, confirm. And now we can select the voice for each character and then create a dialogue scene. Like this one here, we choose our character. How are you today, sir? We add another one of the other character, another prompt, another dialogue scene. Again, character 1. The interface of SkyReels here is so easy to understand. Just hit save and the result is astonishing. Let's look at it.
How are you today, sir?
I feel so good because I am using SkyReels' digital talking avatar feature.
That's crazy how good this one is. It's like a real scene of a TV news show. Awesome. There is also the text-to-speech feature. Simply choose your voice, add a prompt, and the result is here. Let's play.
This is a simple demonstration of the text-to-speech feature, which is great.
Very easy. We can also create music for it. We can add a reference audio or just describing our music style. Create a upbeat background music. We can enter lyrics or just to do instrumental music here. Just hit generate and it's finished. SkyReels does this so easily. Awesome. Another cool feature, sound effects. Just describe your sound. A rainy day with thunder. Hit generate and it's already done. Let's play. You can use the sound effects in your videos to add little extra notes to your sound. Very easy, very nice. Just visit the website and click the link in the description. See you in the next one.